back to my channel. So I really need to stop promising you guys that I'm going to do certain types of videos because I never follow through with them. Also just because I come up with better ideas that I think y'all would like. So I promised you guys a review video this week, but that is changing because my room is a disaster and I think it's time that I clean it, and what better way than to film it. And yeah, okay, I'm sorry if you saw that. Anyways, I'm gonna clean my room today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right on with this video. So first, I'm just gonna show you guys how messy it is. So I have clothes all over my chair, trash. Also, don't mind my wall, it needs to get repainted. But I have trash that needs to be taken out, clothes all over that. My night bag that I still have yet to, yeah, clean out. Socks on the floor, all this stuff, more clothes. My cat's tower is filled with clothes. Another thing that's filled with clothes. There's food up here that needs to be taken down. This area needs to get taken care of, all of this. My bed's a mess, and here's my animals. So yeah, my bed's a mess, needs to get changed. And then this is a mess too, and my drawer has just came to get stuck, so I need to like go through it all. So yeah, this is what my room looks like. It's not as messy as it was last week, but it's still messy. Fast forward now.
You got the cab, can't afford it. You got the bag, can't afford it. Take off. No limit to your money. No, I think the gang took a flight across.
Alright, so that's going to be the end of it today. Simply just because after so long of me doing like work, it numbs up and it's hard to stand / do anything on. I just need to move stuff around, so you will probably get a bonus and watch me clean my bathroom as well. So yeah, that's gonna be it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, so I know I said I would film on Tuesday, but my mom and I went to Walmart, so I wasn't really at home until I had to get ready for work, so I didn't have time to clean. But so today's Wednesday, and I'm gonna just finish what I started and also put up the things that I bought. So I think I'm gonna put up the things that I bought now. So yeah, let's get on to day 2. Okay, next is gonna be my bed, and then all of this. And then my chair, it's just stuff I need to, yeah, you'll just see what I end up doing with it. Let's get on to my bed though, because it is a disaster and there are stains and it's dirty. So I thought I would show you guys me putting in my new wall plug, just because I plugged it in downstairs to see if it like lit up without anything, and it does, and it's so pretty. So I want to show you guys. Look how cute. Oh, hold on. Look how cute that is. You can't really tell that it's lit up. Hold on, let me turn off my light so y'all can see. You still can't really see. But look how cute that is. It's such a cute little one. I love it so much. And it was only $10 too, so hey. But that is so cute. Okay, change of positions. I don't know if I'm going to show anything I just filmed. But if I do, you'll see it. If not, I'm just going to give you an overview of what I found. Like what's on my chair. So I have picture frames that I need to find a place for, or just put them in my closet. Also like pictures. So yeah, my work stuff is gonna go back in my chair because I usually put my work stuff on my chair so I don't have to open my closet every time. Some stuff that needs to go in my closet, some stuff that needs to go in my bathroom, so perfume, lotion, and deodorant. Something that needs to go downstairs that my mom keeps putting in my room because it has my name on it, but like it's spices and I don't really cook, so I just, yeah, I haven't used this since I got it, which really sucks, but I need to cook more. But yeah, some spices, stuff that needs to go underneath my end table, or just stuff that's my boyfriend's, that's mine, pictures, again, closet, and then the rest of all that. And then I have some stuff up here, which is like bathing suits bottoms. I don't know where to put those because I don't like putting them in my drawer because I don't use them every day. And then I found some socks. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just finished my room. I didn't really show what else I did because it's boring. I basically just organized my end table drawer, and then I'll just show you, hold on. Okay, so just thought I should show you guys because when you last saw my bathroom, my makeup was in there, but now I have moved it. So I just want to really quick show you whatever. So brushes, hand sanitizers, beauty blenders, tape, hair stuff. Then here I have my palettes, and then the rest of my makeup's in here. And then the other big 2 drawers are just my paint stuff. So I have all my paints and pens and glues. And then down here is some cool, the stuff that goes in wine bottles. I forgot what the name is. And then my coloring books. So yeah. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Sorry if it's long. I don't know how long it is because I haven't watched all the footage and added it all up to see how long it is. So sorry if it's long. Hopefully it's interesting though, so you watch it. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on that bell if you want to get notified when I post new videos, which it's every Friday. For now, at least. I'll probably add another day on in the future, but for now it's just every Friday. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye, y'all.